Recording.
You got 3 things on your list for this. Are you happy? Yeah. All right. Somewhat. Just somewhat?
No, I'm pretty happy.
Pretty happy? All right. We like to be happy. Let's get this, and then we can go ahead and hey, come on, you two. Work together.
I need the big stuff.
Do we need another bag?
Probably.
Can you get one, Tim? I know you're recording.
That's something in here, please.
All right. Alita and Gideon, can you take this to the trash outside?
Yeah.
All right. Go for it.
Come on. Whoa, watch the camera. Yeah.
Yeah, where's
Gideon, put that down.
I got the flies out of the place.
Hey, Alita. Are you happy now?
Yeah!
You didn't put the trash in the trash bin.